Potato Chat Review. Is this chat app worth using? If you've come across the Potato Chat app and are wondering whether it's worth using as a chat or messaging platform, this review will walk you through what the app offers, how it works, and important things to consider before you download and start using it. Potato Chat is presented as a mobile chat app that lets users send messages, share media, connect with friends or new people, and engage in conversations, possibly with features designed to enhance communication, such as group chats or interactive elements. The appeal of a new chat app is the possibility of unique social features or an alternative experience to mainstream messaging platforms. Getting started with Potato Chat typically involves downloading the app, creating an account, and setting up your profile. A user-friendly interface and intuitive navigation make it simple to send messages, find contacts, and explore available features. However, a clean layout alone doesn't guarantee long-term value or safety. One of the most important factors with any chat app is security and privacy. A trustworthy platform protects your personal data, uses encryption to safeguard communications, and clearly explains what information is collected and how it's used. If the app's privacy policies are vague or ask for unnecessary permissions, this can be a red flag worth noting before you sign up. Another key point is the community and content quality. Good chat apps have active users, relevant conversations, and features that help you connect meaningfully, whether with friends, groups, or themed communities. If the app feels empty, repetitive, or lacking in engagement, you may lose interest quickly. User reviews can also offer insight into whether the app is worth using. Verified feedback that mentions smooth performance, useful features, and positive experiences are encouraging signs. Generic or overly positive comments without detail make it harder to judge the app's true value. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Potato Chat offers a straightforward messaging experience with easy account setup and a clean interface that makes chatting simple, especially if you enjoy social interaction and casual messaging. Its ability to work across devices adds convenience for users on the go. On the downside, the cons focus on validation and depth. Limited verified user feedback makes it harder to confirm overall reliability and satisfaction, and unclear privacy or data practices deserve careful review before you share personal information. The feature set may also feel basic compared to larger chat platforms, and the quality of conversations depends heavily on how active the user base is. In summary, the Potato Chat app can be worth using if you're looking for a simple messaging tool with clean design and basic social features. However, unclear security details, limited feedback, and reliance on community engagement mean you should proceed with realistic expectations and compare it with more established chat apps before committing fully.